So hey everyone, welcome back to another stream. Today it was a late stream, okay? Sorry for that. Actually I was out of station, so today we'll do a quick late night stream. And today once again we are gonna talk about our live analysis on forex pairs and crypto pairs. So before starting the stream, let me just post in our telegram channel that we are live, right? All right. Okay, so right now I'm in looking into gold chart and shared a quick scalp trade, which is 1 is to 5 RR risk ratio. So anyways, we know that gold is in our all-time high, and yeah, it says that market is in a bullish sentiment, so we'll definitely look for trades in a buy side, right? And not take trades against the trend, right? So we are taking buys these days because our overall trend is bullish. The market is in a bullish sentiment, so we are definitely looking for a pullback and an impulsive move to the upside. So yeah, this is a quick scalp trade. We are in this trade. I have posted this trade signal, and also Jerome Powell has decided to cut rates. So it says that gold would be stronger, right, compared to US dollar. Right now US dollar is weak and gold is taking over, and many of the investors are moving towards the safe investment, right? um, and also you can yeah, rather than Bitcoin, most investors are turning into gold, right? Now let's talk about crypto. Okay, looks like Bitcoin is gonna retest this supply zone once again, right? And looks like price is reacting from a supply zone, right? A new supply zone where market gave us a sudden impulsive move. But as you can see, this candle was fundamental, right, leaving lot of liquidity. And this is not a, you can say this is not a trend, right? It's just a big bearish candle. So market is right now potentially trying to fill all those liquidity, all those imbalance liquidity right here. So market has reached into a key supply zone, and maybe we'll see some bearish reaction and again an impulsive move to the upside. Right, let's look into our live trade. Okay, market has again retested our um, Fibonacci level, right, one of our psychological levels. So this strategy is very useful, like quick scalp trades mostly, right? We need only quick reaction in this type of trades. And right now the New York stock exchange is closed, so the volatility is low, right? But it's fine, we are gonna get some good trades if we find. Let's look into other forex pairs. Okay, no trades in our GBP JPY. GBP USD, okay. GBP USD is giving huge pumps in the market. Looks like a lot of sellers have stepped in right here, and right now I'm also observing that price is in a good demand zone, right? So price may potentially come back lower, right? give more term, might take those lows, perfectly come into a demand zone and might give us a continuation trade to the upside, right? Okay, no trade for Euro USD. These days I'm getting more trades in gold rather than other forex pairs, right? And right now gold has set its right tone, sorry. Overall the market is in a bullish, so mostly we are looking for buys, right? But during the Asia session, early morning session, we always look for short, because we know when next day fresh market starts, right? The Asia session, 100% you would observe that the market usually gives a pullback, taking most of those orders present in the previous day's New York session, right? And it looks like price is gonna again break above those high, because if market gave this bearish reaction, it means that all those sellers are trapped here and market is gonna soon take them out, right? And you can see sellers volume, right? 5.6k, so a lot of sellers from here. So yeah, sellers are trapped, so we will be seeing them taken out, but also we'll need some aggressive buyers too in order to fill those. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. And if you guys have any doubts regarding the current situation of the market, and if you need any help, you can text in our live chat or you can contact me in our Telegram group, right? Looks like the volatility in the market is low. That's why we are not seeing aggressive buyers, right? Nor aggressive sellers. Very passive. Let's try to find trades in crypto too, right? We may take a quick scalp. A simple market structure. Market is creating higher highs, so I will mark this as a potential good demand zone, right? Let's see. let's take a long trade setups to the upside. We have potential trade building up. Let's look into Solana. Okay, Ethereum. Okay, so I was telling about you guys about this swing trade right here. So we know prices are reacted from a demand zone, right? And also we have seen a breakthrough, but price failed to do so due to this resistance. If price breaks above this key resistance and turns into support, then we may see continue higher. But at the end, it's crypto, right? Anything might happen, and mainly due to fundamental, right? Right now I'm just analyzing the technical. If happens, right, we may take a trade, a swing trade. Okay. Right. Yeah, looks like buyers are stepping in, right? Now for 40 pips done overall. Let's see. Very boring market. And also I'm today I stream very late, right? Next time I would be streaming around our key New York session so that we get the volatility and also good trade entry, right? Okay. I'm streaming in very late, right? New York Stock Exchange has already closed, so the volatility is low. Looks like we are seeing some selling pressure in gold. Okay, this might not be a good sign. It looks like sellers are stepping in from above at this zone, and that's why we are seeing this reaction. Let's look into other forex pairs right now. Nope. Okay. We'll be seeing a trade setup forming in GBP USD, but looks like it will take some few minutes. Let's wait patiently. Nope. Alright. Let's look into USD JPY. Okay. Okay. Market created a new weak scab and soon market went to fill those, right? So sometimes we get good um, trade setups to target this gap, right? This whole gap. Market always tries to fill those gap, right? So yeah, it's good. Right now, no trade setups in USD JPY2, and looks like our gold is reacting from our 0.618, one of our fib level. Looks like it is respected, but we need to see aggressive buyers stepping in, right? In order to confirm that gold will rise. And also we are seeing lot of tons of orders lying below this, right? Or you can say lying here, all those strong buyers. So maybe it will act as a support, right? So buyers would step in and again give us a push to the upside. But sometimes what I've seen, as you can see, lot of orders are lying here, right? Around 10.18k. Market wants to fill those, or you can say hunt those, right? So if it does that, price may hit our stop loss, or it may just give us a sweep and a push to the upside. As long as we are seeing reaction from one of our levels, then it's good. Looks like market could potentially fill those. looks like as I've told, maybe price gonna target this higher volume. Okay. Okay, guys. I think I'm gonna end the stream for today, right? I know it was a very short stream because I'm not seeing any good opportunity. Cause the New York stock exchange, or you can say New York volatility, is very low, right? And sorry for today for not streaming at our regular time, but we'll follow our normal timing from 7:30 IST to 8:30 or 9, right? So we'll follow that. So thanks for coming in the stream today, and if you haven't joined our Telegram group, the link is in our description. See you guys in our next